Deutsche Bank plus Kirok plus Ripple RLUSD. We are go for release. Welcome lower back to the Cohen Rough Market channel, to the XRP community. Appreciate you men as constantly for sticking around and displaying wonderful amount of affection. Let's get right in contemporary subject matter because we were given lots to speak about. First and major. And once more, if you do follow my channel and watch quite much all the updates that I deliver out, I'm positive you guys kind of realize what's taking place over the path of the last few hours. But considering the day past, while we at the start spoke about XRP, loads has befell. For the wider market, Bitcoin broke in the direction of $67,000,000, nearly $68,000 to be unique, retesting July tiers. And on pinnacle of that, Bitcoin dominance additionally went up with Bitcoin fee. So if you're looking at the market right now, you're seeing a little bit of 5050 gambling out. Some coins are up, retaining the momentum. Some coins are seeing a touch bit of a retracement, which kind of makes feel as to what's in reality going on. But as a Ways as XRP's rate is worried, it's going to get 54.3 cents, down approximately 0.3% during the last 24 hours. USD comparative down approximately 3.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at approximately 30.7 billion greenbacks, and the 24-hour buying and selling extent is still protecting above $1,000 million, to be specific, around 1.3 billion. But earlier than we get into it, as usually, only a brief disclaimer for anyone, anything in this channel is not monetary advice. Constantly do your own due diligence and research when you are making an investment in crypto. So the organization is watching for regulatory approval economic offerings for the general public rollout of RLUSD, president of Ripple Labs, Monica Longstead, in an interview with Coindex. From our aspect, we are operationally ready. And you could see for RLUSD and solid cash generally, we certainly have demonstrated the utility of them with bills long set. We're additionally believers inside the broader fashion of real international asset tokenization. When we suppose beyond tokenizing cash to exclusive contraptions in capital markets like securities and bonds, real property and other belongings, you need a solid coin. It's trusted and very reliable, busy manage a on and stale ramps properly. RLUSD's price can be subsidized via short-term US Treasuries, greenback deposits and cash equivalents, and is currently in test mode at the XRP ledger and Ethereum network. You've heard that correct. And this is something that has been pretty clean to the XRP community because Brad Gillinghouse has stated that you recognize the launch of RLUSD is not vulnerable. It is not months away, it's truly weeks away. And now, as we know once more, if you observe the channel on an everyday foundation, we realize the law is coming to all crypto. And plenty of strong cash, particularly speaking, that don't have the regulatory compliance. They're being delisted. They may be being forced to be delisted due to root. There is a variety of purple flags. And should this truly install a touch bit of a push for RLUSD to get that regulatory approval? But you already know the panorama, as we realize, is shifting and it is transferring very fast. And I think we're coming up on the horizon for you recognize the RLUSD launch, which goes to be very exciting to look. And I suppose it's going to have a totally wonderful impact of the whole ecosystem itself. However, moving ahead, you could see press launch Bitnominal Ripple partnership RLUSD for agreement of the brand new perpetual futures on the brand new perpetual trading platform Botanical. Strategic partnership with Ripple. Bitnominal proclaims as perp futures trading platform Botanical, sponsored via $25 million investment Spherical led by Ripple. So a good deal Ripple donating or sort of investing. Bitnominal launched this perp future platform by starting up with 25 million funding Spherical. And you may see to leverage RLUSD for the settlement of the perp futures in addition to the investment Spherical. Bitnominal is thrilled to announce a strategic partnership with Ripple to leverage their stablecoin RLUSD for the agreement of the perp futures. That is big. So this sort of makes me surprised, and allow me to recognize, if you guys are still on the Equal web pages nicely, has been backing Ripple quite a chunk. So may want to this sincerely sort of be the motive due to the fact you recognize you are seeing Ripple out here commencing this funding round with 25 million, but honestly, nonetheless, large stuff taking place. Let me recognize in the remarks what you men, in my view, consider that. But transferring forward, congratulations to Sheila Biar, former FDIC chair, joins the RLUSD advisory board. Ripple next to Chris Larsson, twice named with the aid of Forbes magazine as the second maximum. A powerful lady within the international. She is possibly the present called chair of Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation from 06 to 2011. So very exciting. Some huge names, you realize, with big quantity of revel in the traditional finance sector are coming in and becoming a member of the board. And this is a huge declaration. However, allow me to recognize within the remarks down below what you guys think. And I recognize quite a few people are going to talk about, why is the approximately token charge, speaking approximately that lengthy manner to lawsuit? It is simply actually hurting humans as heads at this point. And I'm going to make a separate video on that due to the fact manifestly there may be large tendencies coming out, especially approximately that state of affairs as nicely, and might be dragged longer. And I recognize a variety of people are pissed off approximately that extra than ever. However, in terms of people which are inside the community are starting to actually recognition on the bigger photo as to what's actually occurring, what Ripple is really.